Today, in this lecture, we will be discussing the summary of the play The Pillars of Society, written by Henrick Ibsen. Okay, the main character in this play is Bernick. Young Bernick and Johan Tonison, they were close friends. They were living in Norway. Bernick is engaged to Johan's sister. She is a wealthy lady. He is simply marrying her for her money, as he is really in love with the wife of an actor. But that actress was not rich. So he wanted to marry Johan's sister Betty because she was rich. While on a visit to his old love, in which he hopes to break off the affair, the woman's husband unexpectedly enters the room, and Bernick is compelled to escape by the window. When Johann came to know about this news, he assumes Bernick's guilt and he leaves for America. Bernick takes advantage of his friend's bravery and he spread this news that Johann also stole money from him. In reality, Bernick was guilty of this crime. Bernick marries the rich lady and takes up his position as one of the pillars of society in the community where he lives. But 12 years later, when Johann Tonison comes back to his native country, he falls in love with a beautiful girl, Dina Dorf. This girl has been adopted by Johann's sister and she is living in Bernick's house. She also fell in love with Johann Tonison. But when she comes to know that Tonison is the man who many years later wrecked her mother's happiness, her love turns to misery. Johann then demands that Bernick should tell the truth, but Bernick refuses and defies Johann to prove his innocence. Johann leaves to return to America in order to get letters which Bernick wrote in which he confessed his guilt. Johann is to sail for America in a ship, but this ship was unseaworthy and Bernick knows about it. Bernick wants Johann to be killed in this ship so that Johann cannot bring back his evidence. Bernick secretly hopes that the ship will be lost. Johann knows about the ship and therefore he sails with Dina Dorp in another ship. In the meanwhile, Bernick's little son, who is the joy of his father's life, runs away from home and sails to America in that unseaworthy ship. It was the day when the people of the society was about to give the title to Bernick as the pillar of society. When the news comes to him that his son has gone in the ship, Bernick is now very sad. But fortunately, his servant stops the ship from sailing and his son is saved. Bernick confesses his guilt to all the society in the last scene. His wife happily forgives her husband and Johann weds the girl Dina Dorf and the play ends happily. Thank you so much.